So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. And before I will continue, I have to check if the stream is working properly. So let's go into the Vivaldi browser and then kick service. Maybe I need to poke the website. Let me check out. Okay, nice. Yesterday I was worrying about the stream, but it turns out that it was just fine. It wasn't displaying on the YouTube channel, but it was just fine. Anyway, before I will continue, let me open up the terminal and show you the system information like this. So yeah, as you can see, we are on KaOS Linux once again with Niri on Wayland. You can pause the stream, of course, or later on the YouTube video when it will be available on my YouTube channel, and take a good look at your own pace. However, I will read some of the information today. The screen resolution is full 4K 3080 40 by 2160 running at 120 Hz. However, today I'm recording and streaming in downscale resolution of full HD and 30 FPS. You will soon see my OBS settings. With these things out of the way, let me zoom in and go back to the normal size. And then move away from here. So yeah, back to OBS settings. Maybe it's a problem for you to read because the resolution is downscaled, as I said, but full 4K resolution downscaled to full HD, 30 FPS, and then I'm using hardware encoders for the audio and the video, FMPEG AAC for the audio and FMPEG VAPI H.264 for the video. As you can see, possibly I'm using 8000 bitrate, and for the file I'm using the MKV. Anyway, I have been doing some... before I will continue, let me show you what is KaOS. I forgot to mention this. So let's go here on the official website. Here we are. So yeah, welcome to KaOS, a Lean Qt distribution. KaOS is an independent, built from scratch Linux distribution focused on Qt. And what's important is mentioned here on the news. This is the version that I'm using. It's KaOS Dinit or Dinit, that it was released on late June, 24th to be precise, 2026. So basically, as it says here, after almost 3 years of preparation and close to the year of trials, I guess, building, testing and rebuilding, KaOS is proud to present to you a first stable ISO that is fully Dinit based. So basically they went away from the systemd, etc, and there have plenty of changes under the hood, so to speak. So it's important for you to read maybe this article they mention here, systemd and the future of KaOS. But yeah, it's a fantastic Linux distribution. I love it so much since the first time that I ever ran across it. It's the one that made me always want to look out for the Niri Noctalia stuff. And so far this is the customizations that I have been doing. Here is the date and time as I want it to be, the weather, the network speed, my workspaces, my dock. And then, as you can see, I'm using today this cursor here, which I call Swedish Breeze. And of course, it's related to my cursor factory script. and of course my wallpaper jumper script. So I have accomplished this as well, and I'm going to show you in practice. For example, right now I'm on the wallpaper 184, and this is the file name of the wallpaper, and I will now jump ahead, so to speak, on the 200 wallpaper. Boom. And here we are. Beautiful. And of course this survives restarts, reboots, whatever, no problem. And then this is my cursor factory, like this. And of course you can select an existing cursor. I will select now, let's just go with black magenta for example. Then the size, I'll go with 48. Boom, instant. And then I will show you the customization. I think I have made up my mind. I will stick with this one for the foreseeable future. So here is the apps on my dock. I love it. It matches perfectly the two different styles of the apps, Qt or GTK. It doesn't matter if they are flatpaks or not. And I think it's quite pleasant, at least to my brain. I love them. And this is the way for me to move forward with this theming, so to speak, with this rising, if you prefer. So this is going to be the last app for now. Here we are, Tenacity, Kdenlive. I'll start closing the apps as well. Then this is GIMP, Kate, Calculator, Characters, Dolphin, Resources, and the volume control. So all in all, it goes very well, the customization, the theming. And here you can see maybe you saw it already on the terminal, the latest style that I used on KaOS, more or less, with Niri, I used once again. And it grows on me, this one as well. But I have to show you again the cursor factory. Let's make a new cursor. I will select the downloaded folder already, and then I will use the usual name of the toxic. Then I will go with, let's just say, this green here, or maybe this one, and a bright yellow for the outline. Boom. It goes very fast, and it's good, in my opinion, the whole process. And then the size, and you are done. And now this cursor works everywhere in all of the apps. I will go again. I will not bore you with all of them, just a handful. I think these are enough. So as you can see, no problem. The scale, everything works just fine, as you can see. All of the cursors are reporting for duty. And yeah, as I said, things have been going very, very well with this one. And now I will go back again to the usual suspect of red yellow. I prefer it. It's actually the wrong name, but I left it like that in there. It's yellow red, but you know what I mean. This is my favorite. Boom, just like that. And yeah, what else? Actually, KaOS is so stable for me. It was the other time as well, but this time it's way more mature, stable, and it doesn't complain almost anything that I'm doing with it. It's quite stable and pleasant to use. And the only trouble that I have so far, maybe I will not be able to solve this, it's having the weeks on the calendar here. Of course, maybe I can pass it, skip it, and maybe create my own calendar solution. But that will be maybe my last step, or my last line of defense. Maybe I will give it a shot by changing the locale, because at the moment I'm using English for the display language. So maybe if I will go and switch to Swedish for everything, maybe it will automatically make the week numbers appear here. It's a Swedish thing, so yeah, maybe that is the reason that it's not doing it right now. Anyway, this one is still under under KaOS. The only way to use the OBS to stream and record, it's this hack, I call it. I have shown you this the other day. I have an official post on the KaOS forums. I think this is it here. So if you will go to the KaOS forums, you will find this post of mine here. So anyone who wants to use KaOS Linux and wants to use OBS to stream and record, you have to follow my hack there and you will be fine. So yeah, one more time I will just show you the wallpaper jumper, and with that I will leave you for today. So we're on the 206 wallpaper, and now I will move like a higher number, maybe 700. It's fine. Let's see. Yeah. So here we are, 700. Let's see. Boom. Let's change one more time. 701. Boom. Okay, this I didn't expect. Let's do one more change. 702. Nice. So it goes to... I'm not doing this on purpose, but it's foreshadowing for what's coming tomorrow. Final Fantasy XIV stress testing the system. We'll be streaming and recording full 4K, 60 FPS, while the game and most of the system's app will be loaded. Hopefully everything will be stable. Recording, streaming, everything will be stable, and we'll see how good this solution for recording and streaming truly is. We will see, remains to be seen. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!